Okay, so what's up guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a roof plan before you draw it. Like, how do you know these two ridge curves are going to be meeting here? Like, how do you know it's going to be going up? Like, how do you know you have a valley or a gutter here? So the things I expect you guys to have known is that you have a ridge cap or a ridge and you have a valley. You know, other people call it gutter, other people call it valley, but let's just call it gutter or valley, anyhow it comes. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to actually draw your roof plan before you draw it, like how to know where everything is gonna be moving before you actually draw it out. So I'm gonna be showing you guys from here. Now let me drop this one. So let's imagine you have a roof plan like this. Now you are gonna be having a ridge cap all through like this. So let's say wherever you see, you know, the roof having a corner like this, like this, like this, or like this, you will always have what, a ridge cap. So at every angles like this, having like, let's say angle 90, you will always have what, a ridge cap. But wherever you have a kind of a plan like this, let's imagine we have a roof plan like this. Now you know this is your angle 90. Now we have what, a ridge cap here, we have what, a ridge cap here. Now something like this is this. Now you have a ridge cap here and you have a ridge cap here. Now something like this is what is this. Now you have a ridge cap here. So this is gonna move front. So whenever you have two ridge caps meeting like this, it will always go forward or up. So whenever you have a ridge cap meeting like this, rather, it will always go to the side. So this is gonna meet here, and this will be what our valley. So this is gonna go front, and this is gonna intercept somehow here. But just because of, you know, accuracy is not gonna be meeting. Let's assume you're using AutoCAD to do your stuff on NanoCAD. It's gonna be meeting. So let's draw another plan to, you know, treat it very well. So let's imagine maybe you have another plan that looks like this. Okay, let's say something like this. Now here you have what, yeah, you have your ridge cap. Now here you have what, you have your ridge cap. Now it's gonna be moving front as a ridge cap also, and here you have what, you have a ridge cap too. But here you are what, you are having a valley. Yeah, so this is gonna move like this, and this will be what, your valley, and those are what, our ridge cap. Do you understand? So now here you have a valley or a gutter, not a ridge cap. So this one is going to be moving forward, this one is going to be coming somehow here, and it's going to be meeting somehow like this. So those are just the principle you guys really need to understand. So let's imagine you have this roof plan as, you know, here. Now you have a ridge, you have a ridge, you have a ridge here. Now here you have what, you have a valley. Now this side you have ridge, and here you have a ridge also. But here you are having what, you are having a valley. Now it depends on the one it meets first. Now you have what, here you have a ridge here also. Now here you have a ridge, and here you are having what, you are having a valley. Now out of these two, this ridge will meet this valley first. So let's imagine they are meeting somewhere here, and here also you have what, you have your ridge. Now let's say this ridge, they are all meeting here. Now here you will also have what is it, yeah, you have what, a valley, not a ridge, a valley. Now this is going to move not like this. Are you sure it's like that? Okay, it's gonna be moving like this, and it's gonna be meeting this one. So, and this one is gonna be going up. So everything is gonna be meeting somehow here, and this is supposed to be like this. So that was what I was trying to explain before that. Everything will always move at a certain point. Now let's quickly go to the complex one that I actually, you know, drew as my assignment when I actually. Now you have what, a ridge here, and it's gonna be coming down. Now you have your ridge here also. Now you have a valley here, which indicates that this one is gonna come here. Now you also have what, you have a ridge here and a valley here. Now here you have a ridge and a meeting here. So this is where they are all joining together, and that will be the highest point. So here also they are all meeting together because this length and this length are the same, they are equal. So now here they are meeting up and here is meeting like this. So that is all what you guys need to know, and if you have any question you can actually ask me, and I want you guys to actually give this video a thumbs up, you understand, and I want you to subscribe to the channel because it really helps move the YouTube algorithm, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching the tutorial.